Well, we got the garden up. You see the missus maybe back there. I don't know if you got enough light, but haven't had a garden the last couple of years, a real garden, and haven't had one that's been fenced in for quite a while, so we just got done. As you can see, we're tired. We've been at it. You know, gardening isn't pretty, but I think it's becoming necessary. So we've decided to do a small garden this year, and we've had 2 adult sons with 2 large dogs move in, and one of them likes to mark his spot, so we decided to build an enclosed garden this year. Move you up closer to the garden and for the start of the garden, and maybe into some light. Here we go. Well, there's a bit more light. And as I said, there's our garden at start. We just have some okra back there, 3 okra, a couple tomato plants. We're probably gonna put another 1 or 2 in. We're not going for a big garden this year. We've always overdone ourselves. We usually had this plot clear over to here, then another larger plot here, and then a bigger plot up there. We almost didn't do a garden this year, and we said, no, we'll try a small one and just grow a few things that we can use on a dinner table, if you know what I mean. Maybe have enough extra to can some stuff here. And anyway, as I was saying, we got 3 okra back there, a couple tomatoes, some hot peppers. Probably going to go in with some more hot peppers. We got the room here on a trellis. I'm hoping you can see that. I'll move you in a little bit and do a walkthrough. We have some cucumbers, and you got cucumbers, and you're going to do also some pickling cucumbers, right? So we're going to start trying to make our own. We've done it before, but we want to get back to making our own pickles, less store-bought stuff. You know what's in it. You raised it, just that much better. Let's go take a look around. Not a big place, won't take long. Sun's starting to drop a bit behind the tree line there, so I hope you can see all right, but there's our tomatoes. The okra is over there. Yeah, they might be a bit close to each other. I need to clean out this corner up here. I might see about throwing another okra in. I love my okra. Hot peppers, we got more room for some hot peppers, and maybe something else in here. And there is the start of her cucumbers or pickling. I'm not sure what she has. We were trying to figure out what kind of a trellis we were going to do. We saw one that Millennial Gardener had, and it was kind of a neat idea, but I had these metal cages from our tomato cages and some stakes, so I just improvised, and we're probably going to put another row of those up here. So we just put some chicken wire around it. So there's a quick tour of the beginning of the garden, and over there is what's left of the asparagus. Needs to be cleaned up around it. Well, guys, there's a look around the garden. Like I said, it's not much. It's a start, and speaking of that, some may say, hey, you started too late. I don't think so. Yeah, we're giving it a shot, and I think if you're doing the right thing, it's never too late to do the right thing. We thought, what the heck, let's do it. Let's get back into it. Let's make a smaller garden, not as big as we used to have, and see what we can do. Produce some stuff to put on the table. It doesn't hurt. And anyway, I think I'm rambling. I think I'm a bit tired. Gardening is tiring. Gardening's dirty. It isn't pretty, but it is sometimes necessary. And it is a lot of fun. So, guys, I hope you stick around, see what comes of our garden, and I hope you stick around and hopefully I'll start getting back out into the woods a bit more. I miss that. And I also want to thank those that subscribe to my other channel, and I had several that won a book giveaway. I'll run those names here at the end in the credits. Anyway, guys, I encourage you to get out and get a garden going. You know, it's not too late. Never too late, as I said, to do the right thing. Even if you live in an apartment or something, do a container garden, you know, tomatoes or something. Can't be going out and grabbing your own tomato and instead of going to the store. And you know what, again, you know what's on it, you know what's been sprayed on it. So anyway, guys, I think it's time for that shower and time to put my feet up. Talk to you later.